What is up, and welcome back to the Simple Line Moto. Let me show you something. So the seat's all prepped because we're going to be building a seat pan for it. This will be my first time making a seat pan, first time using fiberglass, so we'll see how this goes. So this is the resin I'm going to be using by JB Weld, and so we got measuring cups. I have all of the fiberglass sheets all cut. I'm doing 7 short pieces, and then I believe 3 longer pieces. So I'm gonna lay the first ones laterally, and then the other ones long along the seat. So that should be strong enough. I know a lot of people use different types of fiberglass, and this is just what I picked up, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, we're gonna start off with 4 fluid ounces, and then so 4 fluid ounces of the resin, and then we're gonna do 32 drops of the hardener. Alright, so we have the fiberglass all laid. I have the resin on it, so it's just time to wait for it to set up. Today it was about 32-ish out, or the feel was 32. The actual temp was like 40, or it said 40. And then I got the garage up to 60, which this product says 65 to 75 is like optimal temperatures. So I'm learning. I wanted to get this done and move on to the next step. And I live in the Midwest, and the temps are all weird right now. So it's kind of 70s and then drops to 60s and then 30s and then comes back up. It's a thing. First time doing this. So if you saw something I was doing that I could learn on, possibly for next time, because who knows how this will turn out, and I might redo it. And so if there's anything you notice or any brand or type of fiberglass I should have used, let me know. Drop a comment. Give me your input. I'm always open to learn. And right now I'm just figuring it out. So we're moving along. So we're going to let this set up, and I'll get back in touch with you. Alright, so we're back out in the garage. It's been some time. I'll let everything cure. And now it's dark. So, pretty solid. So, let's pop this thing off. backside's still a little tacky. But it actually looks pretty good. It's pretty stiff. I was hoping it wouldn't be all flimsy, which seemed to work out. Alright, so we're going to call this one here. In this episode, we were able to get the C-pan all made. First time using fiberglass and trying to work with it. And I think the C-pan came out pretty nice. So for a first time, all trimmed up, it's all where I want it to be, sitting on the frame. So I guess next time it's either getting it upholstered or picking up a sewing machine and doing it myself. So it's all done. I got a mounting setup figured out. So it's gonna hold it in there nice and work out as it should. So I'm happy with how the bike's turning out, and it's pretty cool. So I'll catch you guys next time. With that, have yourself a good day. Thank you. Bye.